The 3 days we spent were incredible. There's just nothing like being somewhere in person, asking questions when they pop in your mind, getting straight answers.
I'm not a photographer, I'm only an editor. And he's to me like the Michael Jordan of editing. When my print came out, I almost got choked up. I almost wanted to cry because this is my very first fine art print. I, for the first time, felt worthy that I could maybe even put something like this in a competition. I got the key and I got the bug. I got the bug of wanting to print. And there is something so like magical about holding a gift in your hand like this. And the fact that we can walk away with a print that we edited here at the workshop is just like, it's priceless.
Shooting all the way to processing, editing and printing, that is a whole gamut of skills that is very difficult to get from one person, which I got from Rocco. I'm going to be very, very grateful to you.
Looking at the histogram, paying attention to your highlights, all those little things that I thought I could always fix in post, getting them right in the camera first makes such a big difference in the printing process in the end.
His knowledge is just crazy. I mean, everything from like the way the paper is coated to how you need to capture the image at the very beginning with the print in mind. Everything I ever wanted to know about printing, thanks for sharing your knowledge with us, is definitely appreciated.
I was just telling Tanya, I think I just fell in love with printing, because seeing it come out of the printer and holding something tangible that you created, it's almost emotional, if you will. You look at it and it's just beautiful.